Just wait. Uh-huh. Just wait. Before you scroll, just wait. Uh-huh. This is not comedy. Because it's comedy now, you'll be laughing. You'll be laughing. Yeah, you will carry and go show person. Hey, yes, you laugh. This is not comedy. This is academics. So, if it is not useful to you, it will be useful to someone else. If it's not useful, if you don't have a child who is in secondary school or primary school, it will be useful to somebody that you know who has a child in secondary school. It will even be useful to some of the students you know. Share it to them. So don't start scrolling after pass, but you can pass. But if it is a comedy, you could comment, you could like. So teachers too deserve to be encouraged. So don't just scroll and pass. Listen. Now, welcome. This is Mr. Godfrey. You know me, I'm Dr. Godfrey, and my name is known. So today we are having another task on similar shapes. You can see, if you watch my previous video, you will see I introduced what similar shapes are. So now, this time we should find x and y. So one thing you must first of all locate is their equal angles. I told you similar shapes are equiangular. They have the same angle, but the ratio of the corresponding sides will be what? It's always equal. So first of all, I want to locate angles here. So there's an angle here, number one, an angle here, an angle here, is an angle, an angle, an angle, an angle. Now, label all the vertices. Label all the vertices. Okay? This is A, that's a point there. This is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. So after labeling, go and locate angles that are the same, that are equal. Now, if you look at it, this arrow and this arrow shows that they are parallel. You know what they call parallel lines? Lines that never meet. So this line and this line are parallel. And any line, see, parallel, any line that cuts the parallel line is called a transversal. And on the transversal line, we make up angles. We have angles. So let us locate the angles that are the same. What are they? Let's locate the angles that are the same. So if you understood parallel lines, you know that this and this are parallel. This line is a transversal. Meaning that what? Look at it. Let me show you before you start doing like this now. This angle here and this angle here are the same. How? Say how? This man don't come now. It means this and this, they are corresponding. So now, the same thing. If you look at it, parallel. This angle here and this angle here also, they are corresponding. So now, that means already I know two angles in two separate shapes. You say, how do I get the separate shape? Let me show you the separate shape now. Look at triangle A, B, and E. Let me tell you. So triangle A, then B, and E. So let's look at the angles that are the same with it. I also have triangle A, C, and D. Can you see that? So triangle ABE and triangle ACD. So if you look at it now, both of them already share angle A. That means angle A is equal. So now angle B that is located here is the same with angle C here. So that means B and C are equal. Then the angle E and D's, they are equal. You put angle D. And I told you, having located the equal angles, you are going to do what? Find the ratio of the corresponding side. So what is the ratio? AB over AC should give me BE over CD equals AE. You see that? AE over what? AD over AD. Now let us go and locate the what? The sides. AB. See my AB. AB is 8 over AC over A to C. A to C is 8 plus X. 8 plus X. I have a child in the UK who said, my teacher just said, pick this, pick that. No, don't just pick picking this, picking that. Locate the equal angles, find the corresponding ratio of the sides, then get your size. Now, so 8 over this, then equals BE. What's my BE? BE is 10. That is 10 over CD. What's my CD? CD is Y equals AE. See A to E. It is 12 over AD. AD is 12 plus 12. Shikena. That is it. Now go ahead. If you look at it, this side is unknown. We will have one unknown here. So here you have the two sides. So I can do this equals this to get my what? To get my Y. So I'll do 10 over Y equals 12 over 12 plus 12 is 24. Is 24. 24. So it's 24. Now, this is what we call fractional equation. How do you eliminate fractional equation? Cross multiply. So look at it. 12 multiplies the Y and 10 multiplies 24. So what do we have? 12 times Y will give me 12Y. So let's move from here. 12, I can do it here. 12 times Y will give me 12Y equals 10 times 24 will give me 240. So divide both sides by 12. My Y becomes 240 over 12. Over 12. 240 over 12. And 240 divided by 12 will give us what? Y will become what? Y will become 20. So our Y equals 20. I've gotten that. Y equals 20. Because 12 and 24 is 2. In 0 will give you 0. Now, having gotten this now, let me go and take this one too. 8 over 8 plus x. Equate it to the same thing. Equals 12 over 24. So what do? Cross multiply. But before you cross multiply, since this one is like an expression, we can reduce this further now. Can't we reduce it? 12 over 24 is what? 1 over 2, isn't it? So you can write 8 over 8 plus x equals 1 over 2. 12 here is 1, 12 here is 2. And you ask me, why did you do that before? In mathematics, try as much as possible to do what is easier for you. If I had done that here, it would still give me the same answer. But because I got, and this one was direct, just direct, but now I have to multiply this by 8 and by x. So I need to do something that will be free and easier for me. So from here, I can do my cross multiply. What do you have here now? You have 1 times 8 plus x will give us 8 plus x equals 8 times 2 is what? 16. That's 16. So what do? This 8, you move it to the other side. You transpose. X will remain on the left. 16 will remain where it is on the right. 8 will go, becomes minus 8. Our x becomes what? Becomes 8. And you ask me, this man, oh yeah, let us prove. You saw some people will say teachers say that these teachers, they are lying. Oh yeah, let us see whether the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So let's move. 8 over 8 plus x. And my x is already 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 over 16. If you reduce it, you get 1 over 2. Shikena. Right? Now, the other one, you have 10 over what? Over y. Our y is 20. So 10 over 20. Lowest 10. 1 over 2. 12 over 24, lowest 10, 1 over 2. It's not magic, it's pure mathematics. So please hit the like, comment, and share. Let teachers too go viral. Not every time comedian. I'm a comedian, content creator. Teachers too can be content creator. Don't you think so? Or you like teachers to also, or teachers they should be begging every time. Teachers every time. Teachers, you relegate them to the background. No. We are the celebrity teachers now. So hit the like and comment and give us thumbs up. Let Facebook too monetize us. See you in the next video. My name remains Dr. Godfrey. Thank you.